Let's see how you can use your LingQ lesson. You will receive a link similar to this, so please click on the link. However, if you have not logged in, it will ask you first to log in and then take you straight to the lesson. Now, what I'm suggesting is just to get you started. In the future, as you become more familiar with LingQ, you will find other ways to use it to suit you. So you've clicked on the link and you have the lesson. The first thing I suggest you do is watch the video from the beginning to the end. Just watch it. When you finish the lesson, ask yourself, how much have I understood? 10%, 40%, 60%, 80%? Then close that down. Now click on this button, which is the Show Synchronized Text function. Play the soundtrack again. As the sound plays, it will display what's been said on the text, so you can follow it that way. When you get to the end, ask yourself, how much more have I understood? 10%, 80%, whatever first comes into your head. Now the fun begins. Go back to the main screen here, and you will notice some words are in blue. That means LingQ thinks these are words you don't know. Now maybe you do know them. If you know the word, click on it and click the check mark down here. That tells LingQ you know that word, and in this video, as well as in future videos, it won't ask you about that word again. Look at this screen. Here you see the delete box, 1, 2, 3, 4, and check mark. If you can only see the delete box and the check mark, click on the down arrow below it. 1, 2, 3, and 4 means you could decide how much you know a word. Number 1, you don't know it at all. Number 3 is, sort of know it. Number 4, you're quite sure. Check mark, you really know it and don't need to see it again in this video and in future videos. For the moment, I would suggest just use the 1 and the check mark, because it can get a little confusing. Now, go to this box here. Play with these buttons. You will see the words and phrases for review. Don't worry if you mess it up, you can't break it. Sometime in the future, listen to the video again. The more you listen to it, the better you become, the more your listening will improve. Go back to the Show Synchronized Text just to refresh your memory. When you've finished, ask yourself these questions. Also, you can discuss them with your language guide or similar. What did you like about the video? What didn't you like about the video? What new information did you learn? What do you agree or disagree with in the video, and why? Lastly, what other topics would you like to have in the future? My last piece of advice is just play with the buttons. Remember, you can't break it. Have fun with it.